Rule 3. General definitions. For the purpose of these rules, except where the context otherwise requires, a. The word vessel includes every description of watercraft, including non-displacement craft, WIG craft, and seaplanes, used or capable of being used as a means of transportation on water. B. The term power-driven vessel means any vessel propelled by machinery. The term sailing vessel means any vessel under sail provided that propelling machinery, if fitted, is not being used. D. The term vessel engaged in fishing means any vessel fishing with nets, lines, trawls, or other fishing apparatus which restrict maneuverability, but does not include a vessel fishing with trolling lines or other fishing apparatus which do not restrict maneuverability. E. The term seaplane includes any aircraft designed to maneuver on the water. The term vessel not under command means a vessel which, through some exceptional circumstance, is unable to maneuver as required by these rules, and is therefore unable to keep out of the way of another vessel. G. The term vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver means a vessel which, from the nature of her work, is restricted in her ability to maneuver as required by these rules, and is therefore unable to keep out of the way of another vessel. The term vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver shall include but not be limited to I. A vessel engaged in laying, servicing, or picking up a navigational mark, submarine cable, or pipeline. 2. A vessel engaged in dredging, surveying, or underwater operations. 3. A vessel engaged in replenishment or transferring persons, provisions, or cargo while underway. 4. A vessel engaged in the launching or recovery of aircraft. 5. A vessel engaged in mine clearance operations. 6. A vessel engaged in a towing operation, such as severely restricts the towing vessel and her tow in their ability to deviate from their course. The term vessel constrained by her draft means a power-driven vessel which, because of her draft in relation to the available depth and width of navigable water, is severely restricted in her ability to deviate from the course she is following. The word underway means a vessel is not at anchor or made fast to the shore or aground. J. The words length and breadth of a vessel mean her length overall and greatest breadth. K. Vessels shall be deemed to be in sight of one another only when one can be observed visually from the other. L. The term restricted visibility means any condition in which visibility is restricted by fog, mist, falling snow, heavy rainstorms, sandstorms, and any other similar causes. M. Wing and ground WIG craft means a multimodal craft which, in its main operation mode, flies in close proximity to the surface by utilizing surface effect action.